Hello, my friend. This is Phoenix from Ningbo Black Shark Fishing Reel Factory. Today, I want to make a video for you to introduce fishing reels raw material. So, firstly, I want to introduce the spool. Spool is made by CNC machine. You can see spool is made of aluminum. On the surface of spool, you can see some specification like gear ratio and line capacity. Our logo, you see, High Shark is our brand. This model is HS2000. This is a small reel. So, generally speaking, most of spool is made of aluminum. This is a drag system. It's connected with the spool, you see, like this. This component is made of plastic. Plastic name is nylon. This is the handle. The blue part is the knot of handle. The raw material is made of plastic. The pink part is made of aluminum. This is one part, you see. This is called rotor. This is called bell arm. Inside, there is a line roller, a few stainless steel ball bearing inside. We use molding to produce this part. The material is nylon. Nylon is one kind of plastic. The last one is we call main body. This is also made of nylon material, but in the main body there is 50 components inside. You see, this is drive gear, main shaft, pinion gear inside. This is a one-way clutch. Sometimes we call anti-reverse switch systems. Like this. The spinning fishing reel functions very well. This is a quality product.